is from last night's church activity with Community Baptist Temple in Ohio. We went to, I believe it was, well, not going to say the name of the restaurant just because I don't want to, okay? And I'm kind of going to do like a thought kind of thingy. I think we went, if anybody knows we went, feel free to put it in the comments below. We went to, look here, Japanese, hibachi, that's what it is. Wasabi, Japanese steakhouse, where we went. It took me a little while to find it there. And I told everybody that I would be doing an honest opinion review. Okay. So we'll start with I guess we'll start with the setting. It was when you first walked in the door, I was caught off guard by the glass all around me, okay? Or I should say the two sides. Off to the right, as you walk in the facility, there was a waterfall that was encased kind of like in a glass enclosure, kind of, that I thought was just really, really cool. I almost walked into both of the darn glass doors that you were supposed to apparently open, because I thought it was just like a big walk-through kind of area. I didn't think there would be two sets of doors. I thought there'd be one, but anywho, so the food was good. It was different. Okay, I had the chicken and let's see, chicken and rice, but I'm actually making time on it. We know I'm not yammer, but we'll get with it. So yeah, I got the chicken and rice. I substitute, and I saw it come with noodles. So what I did was I was like, well, let's substitute the rice for the noodles. Oh, this ain't gonna be good. This feels a gooey mess. Oh, we gotta get the door out. Okay. Oh, there. So good. Oh, you kidding me? This is a mess. Oh well, we're spreading out. It is what it is. Yeah, this is. Oh well, we'll just make runs. But so, and I'm fogging up like crazy. Holy junk. So, yeah, back to the review. As my windows fog up and I can't see what I'm doing. This is not good. Might have to quit before we get started. So the food wasn't bad. Okay, it was good. And it come with shrimp. Okay, I'm gonna end up getting this thing buried before I even get anything done. This is not good, but we got to go. Okay, so the chicken wasn't bad. I actually enjoyed it. The shrimp that come with it, was kind of... So let's back up again, as I'm going to keep rabbit trailing myself. Okay. I got an order of shrimp as an appetizer, and it wasn't what I expected. Okay. The sauce was that of, we'll just say, the consistency of almost jalapenos. Okay. That just caught me off guard. Why am I still frogging up here? I don't like this. Turn that to air. Yeah, we shouldn't have spread manure today because the ground is not froze. Darn it. So what I've got my priorities straight, and I'll never get the shrimp again as an appetizer, but you know what? You learn in life, okay? Just like you learn in life never to spread manure in a muddy field, because I'm gonna have to work twice as hard now to fix these ruts, okay? So, yeah, this is just, it's a nightmare, because you don't want this to happen. So, yeah. But overall, the experience was good. I gotta keep my momentum going, or else I'm gonna get this thing stuck. So, the overall experience was good, okay? It wasn't bad. Would I go there again? Absolutely. And I would be definitely open to trying different things. So, yeah, if you guys are thinking about trying wasabi or whatever, I definitely would. This is just a mess. Oh well, he said whole manure, so that's what we're doing, is whole manure. So yeah, I just wanted to give everybody my opinion of what went on last night, and I really enjoyed it, so yeah. We will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. As I let the mud fly. Oh dear, we better keep that window shut, because mud's trying to come in the cab. But yet I need to defrost my windows. Yeah. This was a mistake, trying to haul manure today, but yeah, it's what it is.
It's really cool to watch. These guys are amazing. I know I am. Alright, there you go. Get the recorder on. I'm tired. Yeah. Ready? There you go. Hey! Woohoo! Look at him. Oh, that's it? Wait. There you go. Woohoo! Alright, ready? Are we gonna catch an egg? Are you gonna catch an egg?
Oh,
Catch them up later? Yeah.
oh yeah.
We do it later. We'll set something.
Oh, catch you for 8.
Alright.
Oh yeah. Well, the 8 point, but the triple.
That's how I'm saying.
still kills me inside.
Love it.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Fried noodles. That looks good.
Thank you so much. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, thanks so much. I need it. I drove from Missouri last night, like, I think like 11:30. Or you just stop, get the gas to come over here. Oh, thanks so much. Oh, thank you. Let me know any more sauce or anything. Everything okay? Sound okay? Ginger maybe okay? Ginger?
Oh, I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay. Alright, thanks again. We didn't know it's going to be this busy because we showed one person. That's why I want to hurry come over here.
Oh, thank you. It's fantastic.
Thank you.
Really good, thank you.
Appreciate it. Thanks again.
You're welcome.
Okay. Enjoy. And thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
That was mucho good. But I'm mucho full.